In our fast-paced digital world, we often overlook simple tools like chalk. Yet many young people are transforming chalk into powerful instruments for change. This isn't just about drawing. It's about building community, spreading kindness, and raising voices. Chalk art is becoming an influential medium in teaching empathy, collaboration, and civic engagement. Workshops focused on sidewalk art encourage youth to explore complex topics like justice, inclusion, and sustainability through creativity. These gatherings promote confidence, spark conversations, and initiate grassroots change. The public nature of sidewalk art invites immediate feedback. Passers-by often stop to engage, turning these interactions into valuable learning moments. This fosters bonds between artists and audiences, making art a bridge connecting different generations, backgrounds, and beliefs. Across the country, community organizations are investing in chalk workshops. These programs combine creativity with important conversations on issues like bullying, climate change, and public safety. A notable example involves high school students creating a temporary mural on mental health awareness, transforming the sidewalk into a support system with messages like, "You are not alone." Another program encouraged children from neighborhoods facing violence to create chalk portraits of local heroes. These artworks turned fear into imagination, showcasing the power of positivity and peace. These workshops intertwine creativity and social-emotional learning. They help youth understand their role in shaping their environments. Every piece of chalk becomes a voice in an ongoing conversation about their world. Perhaps the most significant outcome of these programs is the empowerment they impart. Seeing their work displayed publicly gives participants a sense of visibility. They discover their identities as artists, storytellers, and leaders. This newfound empowerment often extends beyond the workshops. Participants begin to recognize potential in everyday settings. They discuss artistic themes with family and friends and even start their own projects. Chalk Riot is a leader in pavement-based public art, utilizing chalk for community education. Their belief in the power of sidewalk art drives transformation. By working alongside schools and nonprofits, they create environments where youth can turn art into tools for improvement. Chalk Riot's commitment to equity and joy ensures that art remains accessible and impactful. As challenges like climate change and division arise, nurturing young changemakers has never been more crucial. Teaching youth to express themselves with chalk is a vital step forward. Sidewalk art may wash away, but the experiences of empathy, agency, and observation remain. When youth are empowered to create and care, they lead effectively.